Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Basics. This is me Ishani. Today in this video, we'll learn about how to log into the American Lawyer from the website. Let's dive into the video. First step is to open up your browser. I am using Google Chrome. Now click on the URL and type in the American Lawyer. Now go to the first link. This is the homepage of this website. The American Lawyer is the legal website published by ALM Media, which provides the most informed and trusted source of news, data analysis, and forecasting on the global business of law. So to sign in, on the top navigation bar, you can see the sign in option. Click on it. Now you'll need your email address to sign in. So enter your email address. Now click on proceed to sign in. And if you have any questions about your account or would like to make subscription changes, please contact to customercare@alm.com. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe to this channel if this video was helpful to you. And do comment down below if you have any queries. Thank you.